Did you know that after high school, many students with IEPs and 504 plans struggle to transition to adult life? They have difficulty finding jobs or struggle with money and time management. Many don't drive, so they're also experiencing isolation, having gone from reliable days with friends and teachers throughout the day to staying home alone while family members go about their regular days. After a few years, there's a desire for more independence, more freedom, and often the family is looking to have this adult member show more responsibility as well. This is why many young adults face so much tension and grief in their 20s. It is hard not knowing where or how to fit in, and that's why we created Star Thrower Group. We hope to provide community, inspire careers, and build the connections that help establish a healthy and happy adult life. We invite you to come and learn more about our community center and our organization through upcoming virtual open house visits. Dates and links are provided in our website at www.starthrowergroup.com, and we encourage anyone to stop in and check out our programs. You can also email us at info@starthrowergroup.com for more information. Thanks.